The cleaning sachet system by PVA Hygiene is a simple, cost-effective method of producing correctly dosed cleaning solutions for industrial, commercial and domestic use. In this short film, and with the help of NG and their staff, we'll show you how to use our cleaning products correctly in a safe manner to ensure optimum cleaning performance by the product. Before you start working with any chemicals, ensure that you are aware of any safety guidelines within the area you are in. You have read the cleaning plans that are in your cleaning cupboards and understand which product you need to use for your task. Different products have different personal protective equipment (PPE) requirements, so please ensure you have also read the COSH in your safety file before using any products. The PVA Hygiene cleaning sachet system is based on a simple method of preparing cleaning solutions for use in trigger spray bottles, buckets and floor scrubbing or cleaning machines. It replaces the traditional liquid pour and mix solutions previously used by leading facilities management companies and other cleaning providers. PVA Hygiene offer a big range of sachet products available for commercial, industrial and healthcare environments. We are only focusing on the commercial aspect for daily office cleaning and kitchen cleaning in this video. Gloves must always be worn when dealing with chemicals. You must ensure that you wear the correct colour-coded gloves, and they must be dry before mixing or using any of the cleaning products. To make a bucket solution, add 1 sachet to a cleaning bucket that has been filled with between 5 and 10 litres of warm water, and then mix by agitating the water to create a ready-to-use and effective cleaning solution. To avoid lifting a heavy weight, it is best to fill cleaning machines with half of the required water first, then mix the solution in a bucket with the other half. Agitate the water to dilute the product and pour it into the solution tank of the machine. Once mixed and poured into the machine's solution tank, the floor is ready to be scrubbed with the floor scrubber. There are various trigger spray products in the range for easy, effective use. This includes multi-purpose cleaner, bathroom cleaner, kitchen sanitizer cleaner, degreaser and glass cleaner. When mixing a solution in trigger spray bottles and toilet cleaner bottles, you should fill the bottle with warm water up to the guide marker, add the correct sachet while wearing dry gloves, attach the lid, then shake the bottle to mix the solution. All trigger spray bottles are labelled and colour-coded, so please be sure to mix the correct sachets in the correct spray bottles, and all products should be used in accordance with the guidelines on the cleaning plan inside the cleaning cupboards. If you are cleaning reflective surfaces such as tables and glass, spray a small amount of the cleaning solution onto the cloth first, and then wipe the surface for the best results. Excessive amounts of product sprayed onto the cloth will cause smudging. When cleaning industrial kitchen surfaces, it is best to use the degreaser first and then use the kitchen sanitizer cleaner. For light-used or domestic kitchens or kitchenettes on office floors, the degreaser may not be necessary, and only the kitchen sanitizer cleaner will be needed to clean effectively. We also supply labelled plastic bags to carry and store the sachets in the event that containers need to be replenished away from the storage cupboard. The product should always be stored in a dry environment. The use of the storage shelf ensures that products are organised and stored away effectively and safely. The shelf is used to store the correct amount of cleaning products for a month's supply, or more depending on how big your site is. The products do not take up a lot of space in the cleaning cupboard, and so it is easy to replenish and manage stock. Thank you for watching this film. If you have any questions, please ask your manager before starting your shift.